SUVs in 2026 are more than transportation. They're about lifestyle. From family comfort to rugged adventure and cutting-edge tech, the right model can elevate every drive. Among countless options, these 7 SUVs stand out for performance, safety, and long-term value. Families in 2026 want more than just transportation. They want safety, comfort, and technology that makes daily life easier. The Hyundai Tucson delivers all 3 in a balanced package. Its spacious cabin and advanced driver assistance features make every drive secure, while excellent crash test ratings reinforce confidence. Inside, the infotainment system is straightforward, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto keeping everyone connected. Wireless options add fuel efficiency for eco-minded buyers, and the ride quality remains smooth even on long trips. Cabin materials feel premium compared to rivals, giving the Tucson an upscale edge at an affordable price. Starting around $29,200, it offers strong value without compromise. Backed by Hyundai's generous warranty and reputation for reliability, the Tucson stands out as a smart investment for buyers seeking practicality, affordability, and modern features in one well-rounded SUV. Drivers in 2026 who crave more than basic utility often find themselves drawn to the Mazda CX-5. This compact SUV stands out with sporty handling and agile responsiveness, making every commute or weekend drive feel more engaging. Inside, the cabin rivals luxury brands, offering high-quality materials, supportive seating, and a clean, minimalist design that elevates the experience. Safety remains a cornerstone, with advanced driver assistance systems standard across all trims. Fuel economy is solid, and Mazda's reputation for reliability adds long-term confidence. While cargo space is slightly less than some competitors, the CX-5's balance of refinement and driving enjoyment makes it a compelling choice. Starting around $30,000, it delivers upscale comfort at an accessible price, proving practicality and performance can coexist beautifully in one of the best SUVs of 2026. In 2026, the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid remains the go-to choice for drivers who value reliability and efficiency. Families appreciate its spacious interior and generous cargo room, while commuters benefit from its outstanding fuel economy and smooth hybrid powertrain. Acceleration is confident yet quiet, making city drives and highway trips equally comfortable. Inside, user-friendly technology keeps everything simple, while Toyota's Safety Sense suite featuring adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking comes standard for peace of mind. Strong resale value and Toyota's reputation for durability make ownership worry-free. Starting around $32,000, the RAV4 Hybrid delivers a rare combination of affordability, practicality, and long-term dependability. For buyers who want an SUV that saves money at the pump without compromising comfort or safety, the RAV4 Hybrid continues to dominate the compact SUV segment in 2026. Families in 2026 looking for space, comfort, and style often turn to the Kia Telluride, one of the most popular 3-row SUVs on the market. With seating for up to 8, it's designed for large households or anyone who values extra room. The cabin feels premium, offering leather upholstery, advanced infotainment, and generous legroom across all rows, making long drives enjoyable. Safety is a highlight, with excellent ratings and standard driver assistance features that inspire confidence. Powered by a capable V6 engine, the Telluride delivers strong performance while maintaining a smooth, quiet ride. Perfect for family trips or daily errands. Starting around $37,000, it undercuts many luxury rivals while offering similar features. Backed by Kia's industry-leading warranty, the Telluride stands out as one of the best values in the large SUV segment in 2026. Luxury buyers in 2026 expect more than comfort. They want innovation that blends performance with responsibility. The BMW X5 plug-in hybrid delivers exactly that. Its advanced hybrid system provides strong acceleration while allowing electric-only driving for short commutes, reducing emissions without compromising thrill. Inside, the cabin is a showcase of BMW craftsmanship, with premium materials, cutting-edge infotainment, and advanced driver assistance features that elevate every journey. Spacious seating and a whisper-quiet ride ensure comfort for families and executives alike. Safety ratings are excellent, and BMW's precise engineering makes handling sharp and confident. Starting around $70,000, the X5 plug-in hybrid is a premium investment, but long-term value comes through fuel savings and eco-friendly technology. For buyers who want sustainability wrapped in luxury and performance, the X5 stands as one of the best SUVs of 2026. Adventure seekers in 2026 continue to gravitate toward the Ford Bronco, a modern SUV with classic rugged appeal. Its bold styling, removable doors and roof, and serious off-road capability make it a natural fit for exploration, whether tackling trails or cruising city streets. Multiple engine options, including turbocharged variants, ensure strong performance across terrains, while Ford's engineering delivers durability and confidence. Inside, the cabin balances function with modern convenience, featuring tough materials built to withstand outdoor adventures, alongside the Sync infotainment system and advanced driver assistance technology. Cargo space is versatile, and the Bronco's design allows easy customization for gear, making it a favorite among outdoor enthusiasts. Starting around $36,000, it offers competitive value in the off-road SUV segment. For drivers who want adventure without sacrificing comfort, the Bronco remains one of the best SUVs in 2026. In 2026, the Tesla Model X continues to set the standard for electric SUVs, combining futuristic design with unmatched performance. Its blistering acceleration and long electric range make it a thrill to drive, while advanced autopilot features showcase Tesla's leadership in cutting-edge technology. Inside, the cabin is spacious and minimalist, centered around a massive touchscreen that controls nearly every function. Seating for up to 7 ensures family practicality, while the iconic Falcon Wing doors add distinctive flair. Safety ratings remain excellent, and Tesla's over-the-air updates mean the vehicle keeps improving long after purchase. Cargo space is generous, making it versatile for both daily use and long trips. Starting around $80,000, the Model X is a premium investment, but for buyers ready to embrace zero emissions and futuristic innovation, it remains one of the best SUVs of 2026. In 2026, only a few SUVs truly deliver on reliability, comfort, and innovation. From the practical Hyundai Tucson to the futuristic Tesla Model X, these 7 standouts prove the right SUV is more than transport. It's a smart investment for the road ahead.